Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial. This is a challenge using just my bare hands. So for this fun video, I suggest you grab a seat, relax, grab your popcorn, and watch this video to the end of it. And don't forget to subscribe. Welcome, beautiful, and welcome back. So before we go in doing any makeup with those dirty hands, first of all you have to wash it nice and clean and dry it very well. So I'll be going in with my primer, Douborq face primer, and of course I'm going to be applying this using just my hands. So applying this, I'm going to be rubbing it in my face, like to say I'm just applying some cream or something. So I'm going over to my foundation, and I'm actually going to rub this the same way I did to my primer. This is so crazy. Can you see that? Anyway, I'm going to apply it around my neck, my ears, everywhere, just to make it look the same. So I'm going back. Sorry. I'll be doing my concealer. I'll be applying my concealer, and this concealer I'm using L.A Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. Normally I would use warm honey, but I'm so scared that I can't blend this in my skin. You know, it's gonna look crazy without the beauty blenders. So I decided to go over this using this shade. Then next I'm going to do is apply my setting powder, Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And this setting powder, actually I'm not baking today, okay? I'm just, just applying it and brushing it off. I can't even believe I said that. Brushing it off with what? With my hands. Okay, I'm just brushing it off. So right now I'm going in with my powder, Kiss Beauty powder. So I'm just going to apply this powder using my hands. I'm so tired of the sticky. Okay, for the crazy part, this is really the crazy part. Apply my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia gel eyeliner in the shade black. I'm applying my eyebrows. This is really crazy. Can you just see that? Okay, just applying it. I'm already in for it, so I'm gonna try my best. And I'm concealing. Can you imagine that? Concealing with my hands. That's very funny. I don't even remember having any special hand for any of this. I think I'm just going to keep on trying till I get something reasonable or reasonably a good eyebrow. So I'm just trying, keep trying till you get there. Okay, that looks a bit better, but not like it is the best. Let me go over to the next eyebrow. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, applying everything. I think I'm actually priming my eye right now, but wherever you see, you have to take it. I'm just doing that just to make sure I don't waste my products. Doing this with just my hands is just like I'm wasting all my products, but I'm just doing it. Okay, so that is actually coming together. I mean, the eyebrows, they're actually coming. So I'm going to apply like a little bit of the shade again, then conceal it further. I'm going to try to make this one to look a little more like the other one. Okay, that's better. So I'm using this the Magic by Juvia, and I'm going to take that shade and applying it. Actually, that shade is supposed to be my, okay, I'm taking it as my transition shade. Okay, I don't even know how I was able to apply it just around that area, but I did. Okay, so I think the next step is applying more of the eyeshadow. I'm taking that purple. That actually looks like my skirt, but it just remains like a little more color to make it exactly like the color of my skin. Okay, I'll just go ahead applying it. Honestly, I don't know what I was doing. Just trying to make it look a lot better. Right now, I am cutting my crease. Cutting my crease with my hands. Okay. I'm gonna take that color. That is what's gonna complete the whole color to the color of my skirt. I'm actually trying to get it to be round, you know, like a cut crease. I'm trying, right? So I'm gonna take that shade and apply it around that area where the two colors meet. So it's gonna be like transiting, you know. Okay, this is really crazy. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let me apply and see. I think it's working, right? Yeah, it's working. Okay, I'm doing my nose. And looking at it doesn't look so dark like it would using the brush. I think this bare hands challenge is actually good in a way. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know what I was doing. That color, that shade right there, I don't know, it's not visible, not even from my mirror or from the camera, but I'm just applying it, you know. I have to. It's part of the makeup. I mean, I'm going over my forehead. I don't even know if there's anything showing there, even around my jawbones. So funny. Okay, I'm actually using that Sacha buttercup setting powder. I'm just going to, you know, cut that area to make it look seamless and to actually show the the cheekbones over there. I'm going to brush that using the hilarious hands. Actually thinking of next step to go. Okay, that would be eyeliner. So I'm going to remove some excess. So I actually know what I'm doing, but I don't really know what I'm doing. You get? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Can you imagine? Huh? I can do better than this. God, I can't really imagine from a very tiny, sexy looking, beautiful eyeliner to such a huge one. Okay, that's the blush. Let me try that, see how it's gonna work. Okay, I'm just removing the excess, of course, and like, God, is it showing? Well, whatever. I'm going to apply it like that. I mean, whether it's showing or not, it just has to be there. Okay, it's part of the makeup. When you're asked, you should say that I actually applied the blush. Okay, right now what I'm doing is apply with one and use the other one to blend. Kind of. Okay, honestly, the bare hands actually come into something very good. I mean, look at those nose. It's very beautiful. I mean, okay, why I'm actually applying this around that area is, you know, they said when you do something and you didn't do it well, you add a little bit of style to it. You get? So I'm actually applying that over there just to make it look popping. I'm actually arranging that nose. It looks too big. Since it works using the hands to contour it, let me do that one better. It's so nice. Okay, I'm going over to my under eye. Honestly, this shade I just picked was to make it look a lot dark, but it wasn't close. Okay, so I'm going to apply that purple just to make it look a lot darker, kind of. Now you're talking. Okay, shoot. I'm applying the eyelash, jeimaiya eyelash. Okay. This is really funny. I mean, from the best how to do a long lash to using my hands to just apply, just make sure it's black. Okay, but the lower lash line came out good, you know. I'm gonna do this just to help it stick properly. The lashes I've used it like a dozen times, and I'm actually looking for a way to wash this because I can't go ahead buying new lashes every single time. But that came out good. So we're going down to the lips. Shoot, it is lipstick. It has a stick, but I'm supposed to apply this with my hands. So let me go over there. Okay, I'm applying it. It's not showing, but I'll keep trying. Okay, since we're not using eye pencil and my brown eyeliner, I can't find it, so I used that and it turned out beautiful. So this is actually what it's gonna look like. I just need to apply my, wear my wig, and the whole look is coming together. I actually do love this, but I seriously can't wait throughout the day. It's not so beautiful, but it's actually good. Okay, don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy Children's Day!